Hello guys, nandito na po tayo sa ating bagong topic sa grade 7, which is all about measure of each interior angle of a regular polygon. So at this time, ang kukunin natin yung measure ng bawat interior angle ng isang regular polygon. Ang regular polygon po ay ito ay yung sides niya at yung angles niya ay magkakapareho ang measurement. Okay, so nandito yung formula. Papakita ko sa inyo. Ito yung formula. Interior angle is equal to sum of interior angle divided by the number of sides. So sa nakaraan nating video, yung pagkuha ng sum of interior angle ay ang ginagawa po natin, yung number of sides, binabawasan natin ng dalawa, then times 180. Ang ibig po sabihin itong n minus 2 ay yun yung number of triangles times 180. Then divided by the number of sides. Okay, meron tayo dito ng example. Find the measure of each interior angle of a regular hexagon. So as we know that regular hexagon, pag sinabi pong hexagon, ay siya ay 6 sides. Okay, 6 sides po ang regular hexagon. So since 6 sides siya, so ang n natin dito is equal to 6. Okay, so gagamitin natin itong formula. So sa pagkuha ng interior angle is equal to n minus 2 times 180 divided by n. So mangyayari po niyan, 6 minus 2 na yan kasi yung ating side ay 6 sides. So 6 minus 2 times 180 then divided by 6. Kasi number of sides po natin is 6. Okay, so 6 minus 2, that is 4. Then times 180 divided by 6. So 4 times 180, that is 720. Divided by 6, divide natin yung 6. So the answer is 120 degrees. So ito na po yung tinatawag natin na interior angle niya. So 120 degrees. Measure of each interior angle of regular hexagon. So yan lang po ang ating video sa ngayon, and may God bless us all.